All right. Hey guys, hey, welcome to another episode of the Olympus Academy. Yeah, so just a very quick brief update for today. We are going to look at the news events, what is actually going to happen, or everything. Okay, looking forward today, there's actually a CHF CI news that actually yielded very good results for the CHF currency. So looking at USD CHF, you'll notice right here, price. I actually had a sell entry there, but I closed it out early because I didn't expect price to. I expected price to continue moving down, but I actually expected price to clear out previous high right here first before heading down. So unfortunately for me, when price came back down, it actually hit my break even. So at this moment, I still expect USD CHF to continue bearish towards the relative equal low right here. That could be a potential take profit target, given the very good results. Okay, next, let me take a look at euro dollar. Yeah, I actually had a forecast for euro dollar. So looking at euro dollar, so looking at the 1 hour chart, I actually saw there was a price actually took liquidity. Liquidity was taken before price continued bearish to downside. Next, price then also took liquidity right here for continued bearish, causing a break of structure. So next, moving very closely. Okay, before we do that, also a fair value gap located right there. So it's the one fair value gap. So adding confluence to our buyers. So this was the last area that caused price to structure this very massive move down. So that's the reason why I actually drew the Fibonacci line from the top right here to the bottom. So you notice that 61.8% OTE entry, optimal trade entry, is H1 fair value gap, adding confluence to our buyers. So there's also relative poor highs right there. So I'm expecting price to possibly during the New York session to clear out that area before heading down. Okay, so let me take a look. So market structure. So I should pick a structure right here. Session. We expect price to continue. So there could be an order block right here. Possible order block. Possible order block right there where we can possibly price open at 9:30. Tap in and bullish from there. So from here on out, I'll be looking for possible shorts towards the downside. That would be my trade idea. All right, next, let's maybe take a look at gold. Okay, just having a quick look at gold on the charts. Gold has recently tapped into daily order block right there. Order block right there. Then if down towards 4 hours charts, you notice that price is currently still resting along the H4 order block, but price has also broken through this ascending channel right there and also tested the fair value gap. So the fair value gap is the H4 fair value gap located right here. So price tapped in, rejected towards the downside. We can possibly see more bearish momentum for gold. Just a quick look at gold on the 1 hour charts. So price is currently in a very tight consolidation. I do not like this structure, so please do not force a trade. So at this moment, I would rather price cause a break down, break down, or break back up above that high right there, retest and continue. So this would be the trade setup I'm looking at. I apologize for that. The trade setup I'm looking at for gold. Okay, so looking at DXY, the dollar index. So right now, the dollar index is actually currently testing out. Currently, we tested this. What do I call it? More or less, overlap area. So more or less, this area was tested for price actually bounced towards the upside. So at this very moment, since price actually create liquidity, price actually recently just cleared liquidity. So liquidity was taken. Was taken right there on charts. I actually expect price to continue bearish towards the downside, at least towards the one area, this one area on the liquidity taken right there. There's clear cut back down there. Okay, so maybe we'll see more action going on at the 9:30 p.m. Singapore time. So it's about in another 20 minutes time. So let me just enhance this further. So on likely we might see price as this tiny little fair value gap. Tap in and continue bearish. This could be a possible setup for dollar. Okay. So actually this entire move was actually led by the CHF. The CHF news was released earlier just now at 3:30 p.m. for time. Just label it out very, very nice. Right here. CHF PI vary. Okay. Very, very important points that we are out for. Very, very bullish, likely tap in and continue down. All right, so that will be about it for the analysis for today. So next, just a reminder to follow us on the Olympus Academy. What's the link? Feel free to check out this link right there. This is all about us. Feel free to follow us, subscribe, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Follow us on our TradingView. So this is the TradingView that are actually writing stuff. So this was a trade setup. I'm still looking at $0 to head up towards the H1 fair value gap. So I appreciate you guys for watching. You guys join me soon again for future live analysis session. So I'm always live at around this timing, 9 p.m. Singapore time. Right, bye guys, take care.